Hey folks, so welcome to our brand new project here in Palos Verdes, California. And I wanted to explain a few things because this is Earth Month. Earth Day's coming up pretty quickly. This is April 2024. One of the things that we don't think about a lot is rainwater, and we love it when it rains. However, when rain lands on a roof, it typically falls into the yard, and this used to have grass, so obviously they fertilized it, synthetic fertilizers would go in the grass, it would go out into the street, and all that super rich nitrogen would feed the algae in the ocean and cause a oxygen deprivation, which would result in mass kill-off of fish. And so we're actually killing our oceans with kindness, and that's notwithstanding the fact that when rainwater does go into the street, it takes with it motor oil and brake dust and all the pollutants and the chemicals, the Roundup that people spray in their yards, all that goes into the street. So the best thing we can do is partner with nature and let the microbes take care of it. So what we're going to do here is there's going to be a gutter guy that's going to come, and all the rain from the roof is going to go down the pipe, and it's going to go about right here. What we're going to do is we're going to scallop this down, and then we're going to build a dry creek bed. Los Angeles, over a 100-year period, has averaged about 14 inches of rain per year. So it doesn't come at all at once. Typically, it comes in little spurts, an inch here, an inch there. So this roof will shoot water down here, and we'll have a pop-up drain where it's going to stay on site. So it'll handle most of the rain. The microbes, again, partnering with nature, will be able to take care of any jet fuel that's landed here, brake dust, etc., pollutants. So we're keeping it out of the oceans. It's a way that we can keep our oceans clean. We'll do another video, but this is kind of how it looks. These are the boulders and the rocks we're going to use. Rock art. This is what we're going to use. We're going to paint with rocks and boulders. So we'll do another follow-up video. Mike with Enviroscape LA. Stay tuned in. Subscribe to our channel, Enviroscape LA. Thanks for watching. Take care.